I got Melon PlayStation 5 Scuf controller, and the customer said L1 and L2 is not working. So let's test. As you can see, the L1 it's working by itself. Also the L2 is not working. So let's open it and see what happens. I think the issue on this ribbon cable, so let's check it. Just be careful. The ribbon cable looks like in good condition, so I think the issue not here. As you can see, they have something not normal here. So let's try to clean it and check. Before I return the board back, I found this issue. So as you can see, it's not look like good condition. So let's change it. Let's replace it. Now it's good. So let's return the board and test. And it's time to test. So as you can see, it's working perfect. Let's ship it back to the customer. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.